Hello kids, how are you all? Fine? Good. Now today I am going to teach you Standard 1 Mathematics. And today's class is Day 1 class. Okay all of you? Okay. And today in Maths I am going to teach you about the shapes and space. Okay children? Now shapes and space. What do you mean by shapes? You all know, no? In senior KG you have learned already the shapes, different shapes. Yes? Now you have different shapes like this. Yes or no? What is the shape? What is the shape, children? Circle. Yes? You have learned in senior KG. Yes? What is this shape? Square. What is this shape? Square. Yes? Okay. What is this shape? Rectangle. What is this shape? Rectangle. And what is this? Triangle. What is this? Triangle. Okay. You see lot of things around in your house. Yes or no? They are all related to these different shapes. And do you know? Then you know the shapes all of you. Now do you know what is space? Space is nothing but it's a area where the place we keep the things and all. Now if in your class if you are sitting two children in your bench, then any friend comes and if he is not having any place there to sit, then what you will say? I have space here, please come and sit. You will call them. Yes or no? You can sit here, you can sit in this place. The space is nothing but an unoccupied area. Okay. Now, before going into that, children, you have toys in your house? Yes? You have many toys. See, I have lot of toys in this basket. See, I have lot of toys in the basket. What is this? Duck. Yes, you know all of you. What is this? Ball. What is this? What is this? Car. What is this? A big car, police car. See? Yes? And what you will do after playing with the toys? You will keep them again into the box. Yes? Yes or no? You will do that? That's good. You are good children. Yes? After playing with your toys, you will put them inside. So today we are going to play a small story also I am going to teach you, and today I am going to teach you in the shapes and space a small story on inside and outside. Okay, inside and outside. Now this is your maths textbook. Okay, this is your maths textbook of standard 1. And in this, the first chapter we are dealing with today. Okay, the first chapter, shapes and space. Shapes and space. Okay, now here we have a small story on inside and outside. Inside and outside. Okay, now here, now you can see here picture first. Yes, here what picture is there? It is a tent. It is a tent. Here see, I have drawn on the board. Yes, and which animal is sitting here? Can you see here? Which animal? Yes, camel. You all know that. See, here's a camel. Yes or no? So, you all know the camel. Yes or no? Where the camel lives? In the desert area. Where the camel lives? In the desert area. So, see here. I have two camels here. See, 1 and 2. Two camels I have. Yes? Okay. Now, where the camels live, I told you? In the desert area. In the desert area. Okay. So, the camels live in Desert area. What do you mean by desert area? Where lot of sand. Sandy area. Okay. Now there, one man is living there. His name is Arab. He is an Arab. Not name. He is an Arab. The Arab and his camel. The Arab and his camel. So many people will have the white dress, white cap, and they have long frock like dress. Yes or no? Have you seen in the TV? Yes. So he is called as Arab. And one day the Arab and the camel were walking in the sandy desert area. Understood? So it was a very cold day. Understood? The day is very cool. Now for us outside it is very hot. Yes. But in the winter season, how the day will be? Very cool. Yes or no? So cool day, that day. So it was a very winter day and it is a very cold day. And the Arab was traveling on the camel back. And the Arab is sitting. Have you sat on camel and have you ride the camel anytime? Sometimes we'll sit on the elephant also and take a ride. We sit on the horse and take a ride. Yes or no? So on the camel's back, here the Arab is sitting and traveling. He is going to some other place. He is traveling. Understood? So he was traveling, sitting on the back of the camel. At night, now in the daytime he was traveling. Now the sun has set down and the moon came out. Okay, and it is a night time. We see the moon at night, stars and moon. Yes. So at night the Arab pitched a tent. Now he wants to take a rest. There is no hotel. When we go outside, we'll take a room in the hotel. Yes or no? So but in desert area there is no hotel for him to take. So what he did, he put some small tent. He pitched a tent there. Okay, to take rest in this. So what he did, he pitched a tent and went inside. He went into the tent and he is taking the rest there. We will every time after working from whole day long, at night time what we will do? We'll go inside the house. We will lock all the doors and we will sleep. Yes, like that only the Arab also went into the tent and he is taking rest. And what he did, he kept the camel. The Arab went into the tent and he kept camel outside the tent. See? Yes, the camel is outside and the Arab is inside. Understood? The camel is outside and the Arab man is inside the tent. He went into the tent and he is taking rest. The camel is sitting outside the tent. I told no how inside outside after playing the toys you will take the car. You want to play with the car, you will take from your toy basket and after playing you will play like this. You will play and then after playing what you will do? You will put again into the basket. You will put the toy inside the basket. You want to play? You will take outside. Yes or no? And what you will do? You will put inside the basket after your playing is done. Yes or no? So like that only here the Arab is taking rest inside the tent and the camel is sitting outside. Camel is sitting outside. Camel is sitting outside here. And see there, the camel was outside. See, you can see the textbook. Yes, and the Arab is sitting inside the tent. Understood? Now the camel is asking. The camel is talking with the Arab. The camel is talking. May I put my neck inside? It is too cool outside. Now the camel is asking, may I keep my neck? The camel is asking, may I keep my neck? May I keep my neck inside the tent? Because why it want to go inside? Why it want to keep its neck? Show your neck, all of you. Yes, this is your neck. This is camel's neck. Yes or no? So camel is asking the Arab. Camel is asking the Arab. Here Arab is sitting here. Yes or no? And the camel is sitting outside and the camel is asking Arab, may I put my neck inside the tent? Why? Because it is very cool outside. I am getting very cool air. So I am getting shivering. So I want to put my neck inside the tent. Then the Arab is a good man and he told, okay, you can keep. Okay, you can keep. Then the camel put its neck inside the tent. Then the camel, what the camel did? The Arab said, okay, you may put your neck inside. And the Arab gave the permission. See, it took the permission of Arab to go inside. When you go for washroom or when you want to go to out, in the classroom, what you will do? May I go to washroom, miss? May I drink water, miss? You will ask, no? Like that only the camel also asked, may I put my neck inside the tent? Yes, like that. Now what the Arab told? Okay, you can keep. You can keep your neck inside. Now, see, this is page number 2. Okay. May I put front legs inside? It is too cool outside. Now, the camel is saying, first it asked about the neck to keep inside. Now it is asking front legs. Front legs. Camel is having how many legs? How many legs you have? 4 legs? 2 legs? Yes. All people, all human beings will have 2 legs. Yes or no? But the animals will have 4 legs. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Front side 2, back side 2. Yes. Now, the camel is asking the Arab, may I put the front legs inside the tent? The camel asked again the Arab, may I put my front legs inside the tent? Then the Arab, okay, the Arab is a very good man and told, okay, you may put your front legs inside. Now the camel's neck is inside. Now it is asking, may I put the front legs? Then the Arab told, okay. Now see, can I come inside? It is too cold outside. See, front legs it kept. Front legs it kept, neck it kept, and it was taking rest, and it is talking again to Arab. What it is asking? May I come inside? It is too cool. It is too cold outside. Understood? Then the camel is asking, may I come? Full animal it want to come inside the tent. Inside the tent. May I come inside? So because it is very, very cold outside. Then, oh no, the tent is too small for both of us. Then the Arab told, no, the tent is very small. The tent is very small, so don't come. Now see here, I have a small box here. I have a small box. If I keep one car inside, it is having a place. If I keep another car, it is having place. Can I keep this big car inside the box? No, please. So, what like that only Arab also told, no, don't come. It is too small and for both of us, there will be no space here. So, please don't come out. But, both of us very small. So, I am coming inside and you go outside. Then what the camel said? No, it is very cool outside. Animals won't listen, no? We will listen. Like that animals will listen? No, always they won't listen. Okay. So what the camel said? The camel said, no, I want to come inside. You go outside. What the camel said? I want to come inside because it is very cold outside. So you go outside and I will come inside. So, at last what happened? See here. So, I am coming inside and you go outside. Now, the Arab is out and the camel is in. Yes? See here. Arab is sitting outside. Camel is sitting inside. Understood the story? what concept I told you now? Inside, outside. I have showed you the toys also. Yes or no? Toys, after playing, you have to arrange them neatly inside the toy basket and you have to keep it inside the cupboard. Yes or no? So, this is called as inside and outside. Okay. Now, here I have a bowl. Okay. And here I have a lid. And on the lid I have some balls. So, I said put 3 balls into the bowl. Here how many balls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many balls I told to put inside? 3 balls. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, taking from outside and you are keeping inside. Yes. Now see here. I have some star tiles here. Star tiles are there here. See. These are star tiles. They are in the lid and I want to put them inside the bottle. I want to put them inside the bottle. See here. See, I am keeping inside, taking from out from the lid and putting into the bottle, inside the bottle. Yes, I am keeping inside the bottle, the tiles. See the tiles, star tiles. Yes, I am keeping inside the bottle. If I want to take them, I will take them and I will put outside. Yes, I will take this and put outside. Understood all of you, inside and outside? Good. Now, another one. Now, page 3, we have the exercise bigger, smaller. You know all of you, big and small. Now see here, I have a big cup. Yes or no? I have a big cup. Yes, I have a big cup. You all like this? Yes or no? Yes. And I have another cup also. I have a small cup. Big cup, small cup. Yes or no? See, I have a small cup. I have a big cup. Yes or no? Yes, it's very bigger. It's very smaller. Yes. Now see here. Now in your book also you have, see here, bigger, smaller, page number 3. Bigger, smaller. Now here I am drawing a mango. Here I am drawing another mango. Which is bigger mango? The first one. Yes or no? Which is bigger? The first mango is bigger. Yes? Now here I have an apple. I have an apple. Now which apple is bigger? The second apple is bigger. Which apple is smaller? The first apple is smaller. Okay, so the bigger and the smaller. Now here, see I have see what is this? A red color ball. What is this? A blue color ball. Now which ball is bigger? The blue color ball is bigger. Which ball is smaller? The red color ball is smaller. Yes. So bigger, smaller. Bigger, smaller. Okay. Now here in your textbook you can see here two animals are standing here. What is the first one? The hippo. What is the first one? The hippo. See the hippo here. Hippo is standing here. Okay. And what is the second animal? Dog. Do you have pet animal at home? Dog, puppy, small. Yes. Now which is the bigger one? The hippo is the bigger one. Hippopotamus. It's a big animal. Yes or no? And which is the smaller? Dog. Dog is smaller than hippo. Hippo is bigger than the dog. Yes or no? So here what is the question given? Take the bigger. You have to pick the bigger one. You have to take the bigger one. Okay. So like that. Next one. Take the smaller. You have to take the small. Now here see. Have you seen banana leaf? Banana leaf will be very big leaf. Yes or no? Big leaf. Yes. Then the rose leaf will be very small. Yes. Yes or no? The banana leaf, we eat food in that also. Yes or no? In the banana leaf, we eat food. Yes or no? This is rose leaf. It's a very small. Banana leaf is very big. So here you can see the banana leaf and a small leaf. So which leaf is smaller? The second one. So you have to take it. Okay. Now here, which is smaller? The cow or the squirrel? This is squirrel. Can you see this? The cow or the squirrel? Which is smaller one? The squirrel is smaller. Now next one, take the smaller tire. You know the tires for cars, for cycle, for scooter, for bikes, we have the tires. Yes or no? So the cycle tires, see here, two tires are there. Which is the smaller tire? The second boy is playing with the smaller tire. Yes? Okay. The next one, see here. You have another one in page 4. What is the another one? Page number 4. Now see here, biggest, smallest. Biggest and the smallest. Now I told you about bigger and smaller. Now I am going to say you about biggest and the smallest. Biggest, smallest. Biggest and the smallest. Now here I showed you already a big cup. Yes, I have showed you already a big cup. And I have shown you another cup also. It is smaller than this. Yes, now I am going to show you another cup. Now, which is biggest cup? Which is biggest cup? The first one is very biggest. Yes or no? Biggest. Which is smallest? The third one is the smallest cup. Yes or no? Now I am changing the order. Now you say me. Now which is the biggest? The third one is the biggest. Yes. Now which is the smallest? The first one is the smallest. Yes or no? So biggest, smallest. Biggest, smallest. Okay. See here, I have a card. I have a car. I have another car also. And I have another small one. Now which is a biggest one? This one is the biggest. Yes. Now which is the smallest one? The first one is the smallest one. Now you understood with these examples? The biggest and the smallest. Now see here in your textbook you have the exercise biggest and smallest and you have the pictures over here. Now take the smallest tree. Now what is the smallest tree here? Here see, here one tree and here one tree. Which is the smallest tree? First one. Very good. Tick a mark for that. Now take the biggest animal. You know, all of you. What is this elephant? What is this animal? Elephant. Elephant is the biggest land animal. Yes or no? And this is a dog. And this is a cat. Now which is the biggest animal? Elephant. Which is the biggest animal? Elephant. You have to tick that. Now here also see 3 types of fruits are there. What is this? Nowadays it is coming more and this is going to come. Already green mangoes are coming. What is this? Watermelon. What is this? Cherry. On the cake top you can see the cherry. Yes or no? Red color cherry. So what is this? Watermelon, mango and cherry. Now take the smallest fruit. Which is the smallest fruit? Cherry. So you have to take that. Yes. Now here see, you all know you will blow the bubbles with soap water. Yes or no? In the fair you have bought, I think. Yes or no? You will dip it and you will blow it. Yes or no? Then the bubbles will come. Yes. Now here take the biggest bubble. Here you have to take the biggest bubble. Where is the biggest bubble here? This one. Yes. Now you understood the biggest and the smallest. The biggest and the smallest. Here I have a mango. Here one mango. Here another mango. Now which is the smallest mango? You have to find out which is the smallest mango. Now you say me, tick the smallest mango. Second one. That's great. Correct. You understood now? Now here I have small flower. Now which is the biggest flower here? You tick that one. Yes. Now which is the biggest flower there? First one? Second one? No? No. Which is the biggest flower? The third one. Biggest flower. Tick that. Yes. Now you understood the biggest and the smallest? That's great. You all know. Yes. You can pick in your house any object which is very big and which is very small. Yes. You can check and pick up the things. Understood? Ask your mommy to arrange the things. Okay. Now next one we are going to see page number 5. Next one, page number 5. Now, here, have you gone to park any time? See in this page, the children are playing here. Have you gone to park? What is this? The slide. What is this? The slide. How is the slide here? Yes, this is the slide. Okay, now in the park, have you played this slide anytime? Yes, you all like to play. Yes or no? Now here, the children are playing here. See? Yes, the children are playing here. And here another tree also is there. What is this? Another tree. A tree. Now on the tree, which animals will live on the tree? Very good. The bird will live on the tree. Yes or no? Yes? And your friend monkeys also will live on the tree, on the branches. They will sit and yes or no? Monkeys also will live. Yes? Now see here, the children are playing on the slide, and one bird and the cat also are there in this picture. Yes or no? Now where is the boy sitting here? On the top of the slide. Here the boy is sitting. Here the boy is sitting. Yes or no? Where is another boy here? He is standing near the ladder. Yes? The steps. Near the slide steps. Yes or no? So he is at the top and he is at the bottom. He is standing down on the land and he is sitting on the top of the slide. The boy is sitting on the top of the slide. And where is another boy standing? Near the slide steps are there here to climb. Yes or no? So there another boy is standing bottom. What we say it as? Bottom. And here see on the top of the tree bird is sitting. And here you can see in your book a cat is sitting bottom of the tree. Yes or no? The bird is sitting on the top of the tree and the cat is sitting on the bottom of the tree. Now see here. Now here I have some rings. Yes. So what is this color? Blue, green, orange, yellow and red. Okay. Now here we have different colors. Now where is the red color ring? It is at the bottom. It is at the bottom. Last of all. Yes or no? It is at the bottom. Where is the blue color ring? It is at the top. The blue color ring is at the top. Okay. Now here you can see here I have a toy Barbie girl here. One girl is there and this girl is standing on the top. Yes, see, she is standing on the top. And another Barbie girl and she is standing at the bottom. Top, top, bottom. Yes, this girl is standing at the top and this girl is standing at the bottom. Understood? Top, bottom. Yes. Now see here. Now like this only. The blue color ring is on the top. The red color ring is at the bottom. Understood? All of you, top and bottom. Here in your textbook also you can see here. The boy is sitting on the top of the slide and the bird is sitting on the top of the tree and the cat is sitting at the bottom of the tree. Another boy is standing at the bottom of the tree, standing near the bottom of the slide. Here see? Yes. Now here one man kept the pots here. See? One top, other. See here? Here the man is having pots. Yes, see, you have 3 pots. 1, 2, 3. The potter is making the pots. Now, you have to take the top pot. Understood? Which is the top pot? The down one or the up one? The up one is called as top. So, you have to take the top pot. Understood? Now, here see, take the animal at the bottom of the stairs. Now when you are going to classroom or when you are going on the terrace, you will play on the terrace top. Yes or no? Yes. Now here one animal is standing and here one man is standing here. See here the cat here and another cat. The brown cat is at the top step. The grey cat is at the bottom of the steps. Now here see Here also the boy is standing at the top of the steps, and here the boy is standing at the bottom of the steps. Yes or no? Bottom of the steps. Understood? So here, tick the bottom cat. Which color cat is there at the bottom? Grey color or a brown color? Grey color. Yes? Put tick mark for the grey cat at the bottom. Yes? At the bottom. Okay. So, have you understood today's topics? The bigger and the smaller. The biggest and the smallest. Yes? And inside, outside. Yes or no? And top and bottom. Today what we have dealt with? We have dealt with inside, outside. We have dealt with inside, outside. Yes or no? Inside, outside. Yes? We have done with inside and outside. Next one. The bigger and the smaller. The bigger and the smaller. Yes. Now, next one what we have done? The biggest and the smallest. The biggest and the smallest. And another one, what we have dealt with? The top and the bottom. The top and the bottom. Have you understood, all of you children? Now, so practice all of you these all things from page number 3 to 5. Okay? From page number 3 to 5 exercises you can practice them, and once you can read this page 1 and 2 story also. Okay kids? Practice this like a homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.